All right, time now to get the latest in today's weather with Joel. Guys, Joel, good morning. How's it looking at the weather center?
Good morning, Tumelo. Well, it is going to be pretty unsettled this Monday for the western parts of the country, but pretty quiet for the eastern sections. Now, here's what we are seeing on the latest satellite picture. We have some storm clouds streaming from Namibia down into the Cape provinces, where we already have some storms going on for the eastern areas of the Northern Cape and also much of the Eastern Cape interior. And the Western Cape is also seeing some rain and thunder showers in places, and that also includes the Cape Peninsula and around Cape Town. The showers are also spreading further north along the west coast. Over the eastern sections, we are currently seeing mostly fine conditions, just a bit of cloud and fog over the easternmost areas of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Now, this Monday, we are going to be seeing just up to 30% chance of rain and thunder showers along the west coast and the Jason interior. But as we go further eastwards and into the southern interior, we are going to be seeing scattered thunderstorms where you see the dark shade of blue, widespread storms where you see the shade of purple over the western areas of the Eastern Cape and also along the Garden Route. Isolated showers for the northeastern sections of the Northern Cape. Now, we have two weather alerts issued by the South African Weather Service. It's just level 1 warnings for localized flooding along the south coast and the Jason interior. You could see roads flooding and settlements, and difficult driving conditions are possible for these parts of the country. A warning is also in place for severe thunderstorms for much of the Eastern Cape interior and also the southeastern areas of the Northern Cape. Severe thunderstorms expected here that could produce large hail and damaging winds. Now, we are starting off the day with minimums mostly in the upper teens, all the way from Cape Town through the south coast through Gqeberha into Bishop. Warmer for East London, Durban, Richards Bay and Pietermaritzburg, all with minimums in the lower 20s. Cooler for much of the interior, Johannesburg 13, 14 for Pretoria as well as Mbombela. Now, this afternoon it is going to stay pretty hot in most areas across much of South Africa, and more so for KwaZulu-Natal, where temperatures will reach the lower to mid-30s for most areas. A high of 26 for Johannesburg, the same for Bethlehem, slightly warmer for Pretoria and Polokwane, both warming to 28. A high of 28 is also forecast for Appington. Much cooler, however, for the southwestern areas. Cape Town managing a high of just 20 degrees, and it will be nicely warm for Gqeberha, warming to 25. Now, on Tuesday, we stay with stormy weather all the way from the Northern Cape down into KwaZulu-Natal. It will be rainy for George and Port Elizabeth. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Over to you.